TTI's WeedControl spray units are a popular choice for hobby farmers and lifestyle property owners, being able to be mounted onto ATVs, UTVs and utes. An optional sturdy powder-coated trailer with easy hitching and excellent ground clearance caters to a wide variety of mowers. Both standard trailers and zero-turn trailers come with an optional 2-metre boom and low-drift nozzles, allowing for accurate and easy spraying. These sprayers come fitted with an 8.3 litre a minute 70 psi pump, including a pressure regulator and gauge, giving you the ability to apply your chemical at the perfect rate. The lightweight Powerjet spray gun with a fully adjustable brass nozzle allows for accurate spraying and significantly reduces the amount of chemicals wasted, saving you time and money. Our easy flow drainage system ensures quick cleaning. Simply rinse and tilt to drain the contents, leaving you with a clean tank, ready to go the next time you need to spray. Loaded with features at an affordable price, you will get guaranteed results from the WeedControl range. Contact us today to find your nearest local active dealer.